Okay, welcome back. We all made it to town, and our group is like really big. I've never been in and it's an unorganized group. You know, it's not like there's RV groups out there that have memberships, and this is just totally unorganized. It's just a group of friends, and from here up is all of us. Okay, hang on. Yeah, Aja and Rady, and over there's Chuck, and of course the Bounder. Now let's go over this way. That's Ed and Sue's rig, and they have a Razor in this trailer that is a lot of fun. And Michelle's bus, and oh, who's this? Oh, this is Dory, and then Jeff and Marge, and who else? Oh yeah, Chuck was up on the other side there. There's Linda's bus, right there. Marcia, Jimmy, Scott and Terry, Carolyn. Behind her is Blue Van Dan, and Deb, and I think that's everybody for right now. And most of us are getting ready to go down. Oh, we're at the Blue Water Casino, and we kind of commandeered this parking lot. But it's not just us pigging, you know, being pigs and taking the whole parking lot up. This whole section of the parking lot is to accommodate RVers, and they go way, way, way up there. So we just got lucky, and this whole end down here was empty. We filled it up. It's kind of like our own area. It's pretty cool. Anyway, a bunch of us are gonna go down for dinner. I don't know what the special is, but we're gonna need a big old table. All right. And we got some clouds in the sky.
Dinner time.
Yes, finally.
Yeah. You've been patiently waiting, Marcia.
We're all starving. Starving.
Get some home-cooked pot roast.
Let's hope.
Fried steak, pot roast. I'm happy.
I know, I might have to chicken fried steak.
Dave doesn't care if it's $14.95.
I don't care.
You're
Chicken fried steak is not $14.95 anywhere. It's a $6.95 meal anywhere you go.
No, it's $9 here.
Okay.
It comes with eggs.
With eggs?
It's a breakfast.
Good grief.
So Michelle, were you on rollerblades or roller skates? Roller skates.
How much is it?
Okay, we actually taken up 2 tables. Our table, and the rest of the party's over at that table. And I'm sitting here thinking I hear water running. And ooh, check that out. There is. There's a waterfall up there. And we have to splash. Wonder how we get down there. Check that out. Maybe it's that area might be for guests only. Guests of the hotel. I don't know. After we eat, we might have to take a walk down there. Snoop around, okay? Most of us came down for this special. Me, and Chuck, and Marcia, and Aja. All getting this pot roast, and Dory. Michelle had to be different and get the fish and chips. Yum, yum.
Beginning of time, because raw beef sandwiches, it's when you know you're the farmer and you cut a good selection of cuts of meat, you put it through the grinder, the hamburger grinder, but you're taking like really good pieces, so we're throwing that in there, tender one.
Strawberry shortcake of some sort. We're gonna have a round of those, okay? A round of strawberry shortcakes. Oh yeah. A couple more over there. I think everybody's having one.
Banana pudding.
Banana pudding. Somebody's always got to be different. Now, I guess I got to be careful because filming in a casino is frowned upon. So we're going to not film over by the machines anyway, but I wanted to check out this pool. You know, I don't know, kind of some sitting I don't know if you can go in this top one or not, but that lower section down there's a pool and there's a water slide down there. Water slide goes down and around and probably underneath this. Comes out over there somewhere. I don't know. There's some people way down there enjoying the pool this evening. It's a pretty nice relaxing area. Oh, and there's another little pub with one of those like umbrella or mushroom shaped things. Like a little kiddie pool. And there's another wee little one down there. Looks like they have a gym room down there. Oh, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. And we're just gonna, yeah, the games are over there, but I better turn this off or I'll probably have some security guy come over and say, excuse me, no filming in here. So let's click it off till we get outside. Okay, where'd everybody go? They left me behind because I went and recorded the swimming pool area. They're already halfway up in the parking lot. I don't know if you can see all the RVs from way down there to, oh, they're way down there. And then we're way up here, straight up that way. And then there's a whole nother big parking lot over there, same thing. Oh, they have a Blue Water Cinema over there. It's a beautiful evening here in Parker, Arizona. Whew. Okay, for the record, I'm stuffed. And I did save a little bit of pot roast for Bella. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, our group grew a little bit more. I think I see Randy's truck up here. I'm not sure who that little Class C leprechaun is, but I think they are friends of somebody in a group. And that Class A on the left there is JC Travels. That's Jerry and I forget his wife's name now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This way, come on. Come on, Bella. Good, good girl, good girl.
She's like, I wasn't going to you.
Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, we just got back from dinner.
How was it?
She needed out. It was good. We all had the special pot roast.
Oh, I thought you guys were going for
So,
that.
and Mike and Stephanie's also here. They were out shopping when we did our little tour around, checking out the size of our group.
All right.
And like everybody else, run out and get supplies and all that fun stuff.
Restock for the next week.
Yeah.
You know.
Brought Bella back a little piece of roast beef.
Nummy, nummy.
She says that was so good.
Good stuff. You're a good dog for good stuff. Good stuff.
Maybe she needs to go out and do her little business and be done for the evening with that stuff.
Like, I ain't doing business in front of my friends.
Oh, look how happy you look.
I know. You're like the perfect sized dog. You know that? You know that, Bella? You know that, Bella, Bella?
Bella. What do you think, Bella? She had her roast beef and really enjoyed it. Been out taking care of her business. Ready? Huh? And you know, it's early evening. It's actually only about 7 o'clock. You know, it's been dark for a while. These shorter days, you know, a lot of us rely on solar. And these shorter days, our batteries are coming up a little bit short. So we're actually kind of having a generator party here. 1, 2, 3, I think 4, 5 of us are running generators. You know, usually it would still be, you know, sun would still be up there and pounding down on our solar panels, but this time of year it's long gone. So we're not getting the solar hours. Oh well, such is life on the road. let's fast forward to the next morning where it's bright and sunny. Today's going to be a day after having spent time out in the desert for about 10 days. Today's going to be a day after having came into town and people wanting to upload and stuff and catch up on things, having some internet, kind of regrouping here, deciding what do we do from here. There's talk we might go to the south and meet up with even some more friends later today. I know today's going to be a big day of just restocking, refreshing all the RV stuff, taking care of tanks and propane and laundry and grocery shopping. So a lot of that's just going to go on today, and maybe by the end of the day or in the morning, maybe heading down to meet up, and having done all that, we'll be good to go for a while again. So that's about all today is going to consist of, I think. I thought I'd just do something a little different with this video, a little bit. For the most part, this channel's been, out sightseeing and snooping around the country, man and his dog out snooping around the country. But I thought maybe I'll start adding a little bit more of things that go on in between those things. So I don't know. We'll see how this video goes, and I do this a little bit from time to time, but maybe I'll try a little bit more, see how it goes. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. But we're gonna get on with our day to the laundromat, and it's a big, it's one of the big laundry days where the whole bedroom needs torn out and everything washed and vacuum all around, real good all around the bed and everywhere. It's one of the bigger laundry events. So, and grocery shopping and tanks, fresh water, blah blah blah. So that's it. We're gonna get our day started, and again, comment down there what you think. If you like the video, this sort of thing, let me know in the comments section. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wait a minute. And Bella stretching this morning. Take care of morning business. A big yawn. Right, girl? Right, girl? So we're going to take a little morning walk and get on with our day. As always, I'd already said it, huh? Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.